Hey everyone, let's talk about cryptocurrency. It's like the cool new kid in school shaking things up and getting everyone talking. Imagine a world where you control your own money, no banks needed. That's the promise of cryptocurrency. It uses cryptography like something out of a superhero movie to keep your transactions safe and sound. Bitcoin was the first one on the scene, bursting onto the internet back in 2009. Now, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique twist. It's like a digital gold rush. People are buying, selling, and trading crypto 24/7. But cryptocurrency isn't just about getting rich quick. It has the potential to change the way we think about money and finance forever. It's all about decentralization, putting the power back in the hands of the people. No more middlemen, just you and your digital wallet. So, buckle up, because the world of finance is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Remember those big investment firms, the ones with fancy offices and even fancier suits? Well, they're starting to take notice of cryptocurrency too. And who can blame them? Crypto is where the action is. These firms are always on the lookout for new and exciting investment opportunities. And let me tell you, cryptocurrency is definitely exciting. They're starting to dip their toes into the crypto waters, buying up Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Some firms are even creating their own cryptocurrency funds. That means you can invest in crypto without having to worry about the technical stuff. It's like having your own personal crypto expert. This is a big deal, folks. When the big players start moving into a new market, it usually means one thing: they see potential. They see a future where cryptocurrency is a major part of the financial landscape. Now let's talk about banks. You know, those big institutions that have been around forever. Well, cryptocurrency is shaking things up for them too. At first, some banks were a little hesitant about this whole cryptocurrency thing. I mean, it's new, it's different, and it's challenging the way things have always been done. But here's the thing. Banks are starting to realize that they can't ignore cryptocurrency forever. The technology behind it, called blockchain, is pretty amazing. It's like a digital ledger that keeps track of every single transaction. And it's super secure. So, some banks are starting to explore how they can use blockchain technology to improve their own services. They're experimenting with things like faster payments, lower fees, and even new types of financial products. It's still early days, but one thing is clear: cryptocurrency is forcing banks to adapt and innovate, and that's a good thing for everyone. Section 4: Decentralized Finance, DeFi, shaking up traditional systems. Hold on tight because things are about to get really interesting. Let's talk about decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. It's like the Wild West of finance, but in a good way. DeFi is all about using cryptocurrency and blockchain technology to create new financial systems that are open to everyone. Think of it like this. What if you could borrow money, lend money, or even earn interest without ever needing a bank? That's the promise of DeFi. With DeFi, you're in control. You connect directly with other users on the blockchain, and smart contracts, like digital agreements, handle everything automatically. It's fast, it's transparent, and it's shaking up the traditional financial system. We're talking about things like decentralized exchanges, where you can trade crypto without a middleman, or lending platforms where you can earn interest on your crypto. DeFi is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about finance. Section 5. The regulatory landscape, navigating the uncharted waters of crypto. Now, with all this excitement around cryptocurrency, it's important to remember that it's still a relatively new and evolving space. Governments around the world are trying to figure out how to regulate this new form of money. Think of it like this. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. The old rules don't always apply to this new technology. Some governments are taking a cautious approach, while others are more open to innovation. It's a bit of a balancing act. We need regulations to protect investors and prevent fraud, but we also don't want to stifle innovation. The good news is that governments are starting to have more open dialogues with the crypto community. They're realizing that this technology is here to stay, and they need to find a way to work with it. Section 6. The future is digital cryptocurrency's potential impact. So what does the future hold for cryptocurrency? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? One thing is for sure, cryptocurrency has the potential to change the world as we know it. Imagine a world where we send money across borders instantly and without those pesky fees. A world where we can invest in projects we believe in directly, without needing permission from anyone. a world where financial systems are more transparent and accessible to everyone. That's the future that cryptocurrency is building. It's a future where we have more control over our own money and our own financial destinies. It's a future that's more open, more inclusive, and more exciting. Of course, there will be challenges along the way. But with every challenge comes an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to create something truly amazing. So keep your eyes on the prize, folks, because the future of finance is looking brighter than ever.